we as Winhillians believe that every child is unique. Every child is a different kind of flower, and in this world make a beautiful garden. Through this platform, the students will share their thoughts and creativity, offering meaningful insights for the principles that guide positive actions and personal growth. Here in Windhill, we organize Presentation Day, a special event to foster communication skills and personality development in all our students. Every child here is taken up to the stage and equal opportunities are given to all.